What is going on, guys? Today we are doing a review on this Milwaukee torque wrench M18 with 1,400 pounds of nut busting torque. So I got my 17 millimeter impact socket wrench, and I will take this out. But to compare, let us take a look at how usually we will go ahead and do it the old school method, which is basically a 17 millimeter with the silicone socket. This is your old method. So basically fast forward this 4 times the speed and you get this done in like what? A minute? 2 minutes? But in reality, this actually does take 5 minutes or most at most. Today, I'm really excited to use this tool.
So let's talk specifications. I got the 2767-21 model, which means I have the hard carrying case, the M18 battery, and the M12/M18 battery charger. But looking back, the mid-torque model should have been more than enough just for me, which includes a 600 foot-pounds of reverse torque and a much lightweight unit. However, since the high torque version was on sale, I decided to take advantage of it with all of its 1,400 foot-pounds of reverse torque and almost 6 pounds without the battery. But if you take a look, with the battery installed, and in my case I purchased the optional protective silicone boot, it totaled almost up to 9 pounds. And the reason I got the boot was because I wanted to increase the ruggedness of the unit, and as you can tell there, I also have the impact socket wrench. So in total, 9 pounds is way overkill for just removing lug nuts. However, again, on sale, I took advantage. Now with this model, Milwaukee includes 4 modes. That's 1, 2, 3, and the last one being reverse. For me, when I removed the lug nuts, I used the reverse, the last mode, and while reinstalling, I used number 1. There's an included LED to help you with your work. I would just be careful with 2 and 3 because if you over torque the lugs, it might be difficult for you to remove them if you have it flat in the future.
Doing this all by one hand.
Now let's go ahead and just listen carefully. I'm using the last option right now. And as soon as the lug nuts are loosened, you can hear the downgrade in torque. Now as per the manual, it slowly goes down to 750 RPM as soon as the bolts are loosened.
That's it. And then we'll pull this out. Now, to put this in, usually you're gonna go ahead and just manually screw this in, make sure everything is set, and then you lock it in, right? But with this tool, the Milwaukee 20 something, I forgot the model, but it should be pretty much really quick. Wrench set to 89, which is the factory torque spec. Go ahead and see if it measures up. Tell 89 torque. Let's see. Yep. then we're pretty much done with the first wheel, and then so forth. This is a Milwaukee M18, model number 2767-21. So again, 1400 foot-pound of nook busting torque. It was around $300 or so. So not expensive, but it was on sale supposedly. Overall, I really recommend this. Get yourself one of these Milwaukee systems.